Welcome back, guys. Welcome back. In this new video, I will be showing you how to draw this cable winder. So this comes under assembly drawing. Yep. So let's analyze the drawing first. So here is the fork. Fork is here. The roller goes into the fork, and fork is then placed into the fork stand. And this bolt is placed here, and it is used to hold that side in place. Yep, to hold this part in place. And we have an axle here. The axle goes run from here, goes through that, and this axle cap goes onto the end here, and the pin fastens that other side here. So I could start by drawing this first or this first. Anyone, doesn't matter. Alright. So the measurement for this is not very visible. Here is 76, inside here is 50. That is, what's that? 15, that is 38. So the first thing I'm going to do is draw a rectangle, 88 by 70. For this rectangle, let me go to my construction layer first. REC for rectangle, enter. And that is 88. That is 88 by 76. 88, comma, 7, 6, enter. That is that. My next step is to draw a line through this, draw a line through that, or I could explode this, explode, explode, enter. Then offset this by 6, offset, enter, enter to step 2, click this in this direction 6, enter. Left click here, come in this direction 6, enter. That part is done. So my next step is to draw a line. I want to draw a line at the middle to the middle of this, and I want this line to be next line, enter. I want this line to be 50, 5, 0, enter, which is the inner part here. This part is 50. I'll then move this, left click here, drag, move this to that point, escape. My next step is to use line, left click here, left click to there, left click to there, enter. Space bar to activate, left click here, left click there, left click there, escape. Trim, TR, enter, and that part is done. Yeah. The next step is to draw the fork, and the fork now is 48. It's 48, 48 plus 44. That's the height plus that. 48 plus 44 plus 15. Well, 48 plus 44, that's 80, 92, 92 by 36. That's for that. And so it's 48. So from here to here is 48 plus 48 plus 18. That's how much? That is 66. 66. So this is 66 by 66 by 88 plus by 88. 66 by 66 by 88 by 88 plus 6 plus 12. That's what 88. That's 100. So this is 100 by 66. 100 by 66. So rectangle, REC, enter, left click, 100 by 66, enter. Then I'm gonna offset this. Well, trim T, no, explode it first. Left or pleasure trim. Okay, I do trim. Uh, no, let me explode X, enter. Polyline, PL, enter for polyline. Left click here, left click there, left click there, left click there. Over offset, enter. 6, enter. That part is done. Now the shaft on here is 30. This is 36 by 44. 36 by 44. 36 by 44. So I go get a rectangle, REC for rectangle, enter. Left click, 36, comma 44, enter. And then left click here, then type M for move, enter. Use G as the base point, then match this, click this onto the midpoint there. That's done. That part is done. So that part is done. I could then move this into the drawing. Hold on, let me see. 44. Let me check the 44. This is 66. All right. So now to get the center to establish the center for this, it is this is what, 18 down. That is 18. So I circle, C for circle, enter. Left click here, radius 18, 1, 8, enter. And then we now move this down. Or draw a line here. Across. Delete this now. Delete. When I move it in place, M to move, enter. Choose here as a base point. Match this with here. Yeah, that is now that. I like to use different colors. Let me do undo, undo, undo. I like to use different colors to represent different parts. Go down to properties and change the color from that to a different color. Alright, let me bring this down. move enter, use you as a base point, drop that here. That part is now done. So we have that in place. We now need this part of it, this part, and this now is here is this is inner part is 36, base is 150, thickness is 12, thickness is 12. So rectangle, I'm gonna draw a rectangle, 120, 150, sorry, 150 by 12, REC enter, 150, comma, 12 enter. That is done. The height of this now is 12 plus 25 plus 20, 12 plus 50 is 62. So the height of this is 62. So going rectangle 62 by 36. Rectangle REC enter. Left click. 36 by 62. 36 by 62 enter. Left click here. M for move enter. Use you as a base point. Then trim. TR enter. Touch that. That is gone. Now the outer part for this is 50 is upper part is 50, the lower part is 70. So I'm gonna draw a line 50 or a circle, C for circle, enter. Uh, Radius is 25, enter. Space bar to reactivate start here. Base is now half of 75, 75 slash 2, enter. And I now have that. So that is now that. I now draw a line from this quadrant to that quadrant. Spacebar to reactivate this quadrant to that quadrant. I think this circle should have been up, should have moved up by this up to that. Escape. I know I have that part in. I know go for line, or I try to just line. Explode this. X for explode. Enter. Left click here. Drag this end over to that. Left click here. Drag this end over to that. And we now have this. Trim, or I could use fillet. Use fillet. F for fillet. Enter. Radius. Enter. 3. Enter. Then touch. Spacebar. Touch. And that part is now done. That part is now done. Alright. Now I need to establish the distance for the center. Distance for the center for this piece right here. This is 12. This is 12 down. This center is, sorry, 25 down. This circle here is 25 millimeter down. Right there. 25 down. Yeah. So I, from here, see circle, enter. Click here, mark 25, 25, enter. And here is now the center. Here's the center for that. Um, the 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 diameter for that. The diameter for this is, now this distance is 12. So I'm gonna draw a rectangle. Draw a rectangle. 12. Oh, I did something wrong here. I did something wrong here. This part doesn't shape like this. This part doesn't shape like that. Explode. X, enter. Delete. Delete. So this part doesn't look like that. Yeah. Um. So this part is, here is um circle. All right. 35 is 35 from the center up. 35. This circle here. 35. No, 75 divided by 2. 75 divided by 2, enter. So that is the circle. Copy, CO, enter. Then fillet, drag, left click and drag, delete. F for fillet, enter. R, enter. Enter to accept free. That, that, that is that part. But there is a there's a fillet here, a section here. There's a section here. So I'll need to draw this part right here, which has radius of, that is a radius of 18. Radius of 18. So I need to go back and establish my 25 marks. See if a circle, enter. Left click here. Left click here. Or left click here. 25, 25, enter. I can delete this now. 25, enter. L for line, enter. And then up by 6. O for offset, enter. Enter. Left click up. Trim. TR, and enter. Trim out inside here. Trim out inside here as well. Delete this now. Yeah, that part is pretty much done. That part is the, oh no, I need to draw the oh, I probably shouldn't have trimmed the as yet. Probably shouldn't trim that part there as yet. Oh, probably I should redo, undo. Redo, redo. Alright, trim, TR, enter, 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 enter. Yes, that part is there. Now I need radius. I need to draw a circle. Here is Here's a radius of 18. Here's a radius of this is 18. This curve here is 18. So I need to draw a line from the center and offset that by 18. Offset that by 18. Yeah. So line L for line, enter. Middle of 2 points, M to P, enter. Left click here, left click there, then draw that out. Then offset over offset, enter. 25, enter. Something seems to be off. This is supposed to be, oh, the trade is supposed to be 18. Offset, over offset, enter. 18, 1, 8, enter. Yeah. Trim, CR, and enter. Um, Fillet. Okay, there's a distance here. It's a little distance here from that to that. From this, from that, that. So this distance, it transfer this distance. Circle C, enter. Click here, click there, then copy or move this across here, then draw a line, L, enter, from here down, T, R, enter, enter. F for fillet, enter, R, enter, enter. Trim, T, R, enter, enter. So this part is it's pretty much done. It's now time for me to draw this. And this is 20, 12 plus 15. That's 27. 27 plus, that's 27. So it's 27 length plus the top, which is 3/4 of a diameter. Diameter here is 12, meaning that is 8 or 9. That is 9. Meaning that is 9. So it's so rectangle, draw the rectangle to represent this. 9 plus 27 is 36. So I'm gonna draw a rectangle 36 by 12. 36 by 12. REC, enter. Left click. 36 by 12. Enter. Space bar. So 12 by 1.5 is 7 is 18, 20. Left click 20, comma, 8, enter. Oh, sorry, it's 8, space bar, it's 8, it's 8, 8 by 20, enter, all the way around. Then move, M for move, enter. Left click here, drop this there. Then fill it, then start and radius, arc, start and radius, start and radius, start here, end here. And the radius is diameter, which is 12. 1, 2, enter. Then move this down. M for move, enter. Click here, move it down to that. Then trim. No, then circle. Circle drop down. Circle 10, 10, 10. Click here, click there, and click here. 10, 10, 10. So click here, click there, and click there. Trim. and enter. Left click here, left click, left click. Then I now bring this up to that point. Yeah, and I could bring this up to that point as well, but that's safe now. Mirror, I'm gonna mirror this. I enter. Left click here, left click there. Enter. Trim. And enter. That is that. Trim. And enter. Left click here, left click here. Circle. Enter. 1, 5, enter. L, enter. And enter. Offset O, enter. Or let me explore this first. X for explode, enter. Offset, O for offset, enter. 1.2, enter. Left click here, left click here. Trim, and enter. Touch, touch, that, that, delete. Then to get this arc, use arc, start and radius. And this time I start down here, start and radius, which is diameter 12, enter, and we have that. Yeah. This now goes in place here. So all of this goes in here. I'm gonna move this in place. M move, enter, and I'm gonna use you as a base point. I'm gonna drop this right here. That is in place, and this is gonna go in here. M, enter. Choose here as a base point, and I choose middle of 2 points. M2P, M2P, enter. Click here, and and that is in place there. It would have been good if I used like some different color, um, line to represent this. So that is pretty much the assembled thing. Yeah, line with thickness. All right, let me add some life to this. Change the line with thickness to outline. Yep, that is that. Fully assembled thing. Fully assembled thingy thingy. Um, yeah. Next video, I'm gonna show you how to hatch this, how to reduce the hatch. So this is just a. Oh no, what I shouldn't have. What I've done here, I've partially hatched, and probably I should. This should not be cut out here. This is supposed to be down here, and that should have been in there should have been hidden detail line. All of this. So let me correct that. Let me correct that. Let me correct that. Hidden detail, hidden. Hidden things. All right, but there should be a hidden detail line. This right here, or it is not shown. You know, so this should be again. Yeah, probably this should not be visible either. This should not be visible either. I should just draw the outline for this. So here I have a mixture of sectioning and part which is not section. Bad idea, but this is pretty much the assemble technique. Oh, something is missing. Something is missing from this. Something is missing. This right here. This is missing. Something is missing. This. This is missing. The axle. Axle is 100. Is 100 and 12 is 112. 122 total. 122 total. Alright, so 112 rectangle. REC for rectangle. Enter. Left click here. 112. 112 by 15. 1, 5. Enter. The head for this is 32 by 10. 32 by 10. Space bar for rectangle. 10 by 32. 10 by 32. Enter. Move it in place. Or I could add chamfer that tapered that chamfer edge chamfer head. Use a circle of 3. C enter. 3 C enter. C enter. Left click here. 3 enter. L enter. Copy this. C O enter. L enter. Trim. T R enter enter. Move left click. Move M enter. Left click here. Left click there. That is now with that. and this should also be chamfered at the end. C enter, left click here, 3 enter, L for line enter. That part is done. Now I need to align this. There's the center here is 18 from the top. It's 18 from the top. Alright, 18 from top. Line. I'm gonna move it in place. I will actually use a different color for this. Right click, properties, change the color a little bit. Or I could just change the color from here. Let's choose a color from up here for it. M and move. Choose you as the base point. And then there's a pin right here, a pin at the end over here, a pin, a pin, and the pin for this now is the pin for this is located. Let's see, the pin is 105 from there, and it has a diameter of 3, 105 from there by 3. So I draw a circle with 2p, C enter, 2p enter, and I left click here, 105 enter. Yeah, little circle, C enter, click here, and this now has a diameter of 3, or radius 1.5, D enter, E enter. Yep, so that is that. MA enter, touch this, touch that, escape. And that is in place. This probably should have been in hidden detail line, because this is a little messed up, because this should have been just one solid thing going across. Yeah, with this not showing. So I'm gonna let everything stay as is. Note that this doesn't conform to the assembly rule fully. This is either gonna make this in hidden detail. This has the hatch as shown, which should not be, you know, a little piece inside there. But this is pretty much how we assemble this. This now is a line for section. It's really for sectioning. But for sectioning, we would remove this part here, this section. Alright, let me stop this video for now. We have gone a good distance.